Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to download and install Git on your Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL, and then select Windows and click here to download the latest version of Git for Windows operating system. Or you can download other Git for Windows for standalone installer. You can download the 32-bit or 64-bit for Windows setup, or you can download portable version. I am going to download the latest version of Git, so click here to download. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, navigate to the download directory and open the installer. If you get a message from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then select yes. That's it. The setup wizard is ready to begin installation. Now click on next to continue. Now select the destination location where you want to install Git on your system. This is the default destination location. You can change this location by browsing the directory where you want to install, but I am going to install on this default location. Click on next. Now select the components you want to install, or clear the components you do not want to install. This is the default selection. I am going to leave this option, so click on next to continue, and also select the start menu folder. If you do not want to create a start menu folder, check this box, otherwise uncheck, and then click on next. Now choose the default editor used by Git from this drop down list. You can use Vim as Git's default editor, or you can select any of the one from this drop down list. I am going to select the default option and then click on next. If you are a new, select the first option and also select the recommended option. Configure the terminal emulator to use with Git Bash. You can use this option, or you can use the Windows default console window. I am going to use the first option. Configure the experimental option by enabling the option. If you are a new, you can skip this option, and finally click on the install. It may take a while for installing Git on your computer. That's it. Setup has finished. Installing Git on your system successfully. Now click the finish button to exit the setup. If you want to launch the Git bash right now, check this box and then click on finish. You can check the Git version from console. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.